So good day everyone. I'm Daryl M. Gumera and I'm going to present geographic information. So the content I am going to discuss is what is GIS, the application of GIS, and how to use QGIS application. So let's talk about first the what is Geographic Information System. Geographic Information System or GIS is a framework for capturing, storing, analyzing, and visualizing spatial or geographical data. It combines hardware, softwares, and data to help users understand spatial patterns, relationships, and trends. GIS is widely used across various disciplines such as urban planning, environmental management, public health, and businesses. So the second is the application of Geographic Information System. GIS is applied in fields like urban planning, disaster management, environmental monitoring, transportations, agriculture, and healthcare to analyze and visualize spatial data for better decision making. So the next content I am going to discuss is how to use QGIS. So first, open your or search your QGIS app and open the QGIS map application. So let's wait for a while because it's loading. So in here we must select the new empty file and in the left side we will select the open data source manager. And as you can see here, you have the vector file, and in the right side select the three dots and find the file and the files that the structure provided. So as you can see here, we will now add layers, and then we will see the Philippine map. So let's zoom in, and then to add the names of the municipalities, you must select the properties and select the single layers or single level, and then you search for the name tree and select the ABC name tree to put the names of the municipalities in the Philippine map, and then click apply, and let's wait because it's loading. So let's zoom in, and as we can see now, they have the names of in every municipalities. And then we will now go to select the, and for my study area is in Misamis Oriental, Naawan, Misamis Oriental. So we will now search for Naawan, and as you can see here, we will now select the Naawan. And then let's zoom in. So as you can see here now, there is a different color, the color yellow. So that is my study area or the Naawan area. So let's right click the Philippine and click export, and then save selected features as. to highlighted only the Naawan Misamis Oriental. So let's name it. So for me, I name it in my name. So Daryl Gumera. Click OK. So as you can see now, and then right click the Daryl Gumera file and click properties, and go to single labels, and then select the ABC name 3, and then click apply. So as you can see here, we will now have the my study area. So in this case, my study area is only highlighted. So we're going now to save the project. So I will name the file Daryl M. Gumera. So just save it, and then select the project, and then select the new print layout, and in this case we will now name it Daryl. So as you can see here, we will now have the blank files or blank file. Now click the add item, and then so as you can see here now, it's already plot my study area. So let's drag into the center, and then click again the add item, and then select the so as you can see here, we will now select the, and then we will now put the, and then add the, click the add items, and then select add shape, and then add ellipse. So as we can see here now, my study area is on Poblacion. So we will now select or add the legend, and then we will now select the color. So as you can see now, my study area is on Poblacion, and then click add items, and then add and then name the municipality of Naawan Misamis Oriental, and then we will now adjust the font. So it's already clear. Then click the add items, and then select the, so we will now select the arrow, and then now click the layout, and then click save as. So the file name I am going to save is here. So it's already exported, and then we will now look if it's already saved. So as you can see now, it's already save. So here is the final output of my study area. So this is how to use QGIS application.